Today is Friday, April 19th. This is a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado speedometer unit. This is for my friend Jeff in Illinois. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test after having recalibrated the unit on my Wagner system. I'm going to run it at 45 miles an hour, which is where I calibrate to as my center of the range of the speedometer in terms of where my Wagner machine does the potentiation to. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the power. Okay, so we've gone ahead and done a functional validation test on the speedometer. I've gone ahead and replaced the circuit board, the flexible circuit board on the back, which had two shorts, and I've replaced that. So I'm going to be doing a reassembly and be shipping this out to my friend Jeff. This is George in Florida. Today is Friday, April 19th. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, April 19th. Thank you very kindly.